back to Green Thumb Adventures. Today we're going to have lots of fun opening these surprise eggs, and we have some of our friends to help us. Doc McStuffins, we have Olaf. They're here to see what's inside these eggs, so let's get started. Why don't we start with one of these brand new eggs? It's a Disney princess egg. And it says it has candy characters inside. So let's open this up and see what's in it. Let's see. It's a pink egg. Oh, there's little candy characters of all different kinds of princesses. That's super exciting. Okay, now why don't we open up this pretty pink egg? Oh, look, it's a little Sofia the First charm. We'll put that over here with our friend Sofia. Okay, now why don't we open up this orange egg? Oh, look, it's one of Doc McStuffins' tools. Let's put that over with Doc McStuffins. How about this pretty blue egg? Oh, look, it's Stuffy. Let's put him over here with Doc McStuffins. So another blue egg with swirls on it. Another one of Doc McStuffins' tools. Has sparkles on the handle. So pretty. How about we try one of these gigantic eggs? It's a bunny. Let's see. It's white. Oh, look. It's a bracelet. Who's on it? Sofia the First. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's put this over here with Sofia. And let's open up this pink egg. Oh, look, it's Doc McStuffins' doctor's bag. Look, it even opens. How cute is that? We could put the tools right inside. Let's see if they fit. There's one. And there's two. Look at that. It snaps shut. That is adorable. We'll put that over with Doc McStuffins. And let's try this yellow egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it looks like Sofia's backpack. Let's see if there's anything inside this backpack. Oh, a little tiny book. Look at that. That's adorable. We'll put that over with Sofia. Let's see, why don't we open up another one of these candy eggs? This one looks like it has SpongeBob in it. Let's see. It's a blue egg. Oh, and this one has candy too. It looks like it has all different shapes of SpongeBob and his friends. Undersea Adventures. Okay, let's check out this yellow egg with pink waves on it. Who's in it? Oh, it's Chili. He's a snowman, Doc McStuffins. Put him over there. Let's see what's in this blue one. Let's see. Oh, does anybody know who this is? Olaf from Frozen. Let's put it over with Olaf. Doo-doo. Okay, just a few left. How about one of these gigantic green frog eggs? Oh, who's this? It's Lammy from Doc McStuffins. We'll put her over there. And let's see who's in this other gigantic green egg. Let's see. Oh, it's Sofia with her crown on. And look, she bends and she can sit. How cute. Her head turns. Very nice. We'll put her right over here with the other Sofia. What's in this one? Let's see. Oh, it's another one of Doc McStuffins' tools. Okay, why don't we put that in the bag? Oh, nice snap. And there it is. There it goes. Okay, let's check out what's in this yellow SpongeBob. Let's see. Oh, more candy. SpongeBob candies. And let's see what's in this last princess egg. Oh, princess is on it. Let's see if we can open it up. It's a pretty gigantic purple egg. More princess candy. Let's see who's in there. Cinderella, maybe Rapunzel. Wow, they're all there. Well, that was a lot of fun. Thanks so much for watching Green Thumb Adventures. 2 thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.